Hey, what's up guys? Are you tired of constant buffering and lag on your FireStick right when you're trying to stream your favorite live events? The truth is, it's usually because you're using outdated streaming apps that lack the modern decoding power your device needs. Bloated, old apps don't just kill your speed, they wreck your system performance and lead to constant crashes. Today, I'm showing you how to upgrade to a lightweight, high-efficiency tool IBO Player to completely transform your viewing experience. If you want to master these pro-level optimization hacks that almost no one is talking about, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. Let's dive right in. I get DMs every day from people saying, I followed a tutorial online, but it's just not working. Guys, listen up, you need to be careful. 90% of the guides out there are either outdated or filled with malicious plugins that slow your connection to a crawl and put your privacy at risk. Today, I'm showing you the clean, zero-loss method to get this set up the right way. Grab your remote, and let's get to work. First, head to your home screen, go to Search, and look for the Downloader app, the one with the orange icon. Get it installed, but don't launch it just yet. We need to unlock your device's hidden potential first. Go to Settings, then click on My Fire TV. If you don't see developer options here, don't panic, it's hidden by default. Select About, highlight your device name, and press the Center Select button on your remote 7 times in a row. You'll see a pop-up saying, You are now a developer. Back out one menu, and you'll see the new Developer Options tab is now unlocked. Go in there, select Install Unknown Apps, find Downloader, and toggle it to On. Your device is officially unrestricted and ready for peak performance. Now, launch Downloader. Forget about typing in those long broken URLs. Just enter my exclusive quick code, 511693, and hit Next. This connects directly to the official, clean installation package. No bloatware, no junk. Once the download finishes, hit Install in the bottom right. But here is the pro tip. Do not hit Open. Hit Done, then immediately hit Delete on the installation file and confirm it. This isn't just about freeing up space. It's about keeping your system kernel lean so that even older FireSticks can handle high bitrate streams without breaking a sweat. Here is where most people get stuck. You've installed the app, but you're staring at a device ID and device key. You might think, is this broken? Not at all. The app is just the engine. You still need the key to the ignition. Those IDs are your device's unique signature, and the real secret to performance is how you integrate high-quality, high-bandwidth subscription data. And a major warning, do not go searching Google for those free public lists. They are an absolute trap. They're often full of malware, and even if they work for a second, you'll end up with non-stop buffering that ruins your entire weekend. If you run into any parsing errors, installation failures, or if your ISP is throttling your connection, stop wasting time troubleshooting on your own. Pull out your phone, click the link in the pinned comment, and reach out to my professional support team. Whether you're dealing with network blocks or need help with the advanced backend configuration, send us a screenshot of your screen, and we'll provide one-on-one support to ensure your device is running in total beast mode. If this hard-hitting guide helped you out, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.